أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا وقعت الواقعة ليس لوقعتها كاذبة خافضة رافعة إذا رجت الأرض رجا وبست الجبال بسا فكانت هباء منبثا وكنتم أزواجا ثلاثة فأصحاب الميمنة ما أصحاب الميمنة وأصحاب المشأمة ما أصحاب المشأمة والسابقون السابقون أولئك المقربون في جنات النعيم ثلة من الأولين وقليل من الآخرين على سرر موضونة متكئين عليها متقابلين يطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون بأكواب وأباريق وكأس من معين لا يصدعون عنها ولا ينزفون وفاكهة مما يتخيرون ولحم طير مما يشتهون.
When the occurrence occurs, there is, at its occurrence, no denial. It will bring down some and raise up others. When the earth is shaken with convulsion, and the mountains are broken down, crumbling, and become dust dispersing, and you become of three kinds. Then the companions of the right, what are the companions of the right? And the companions of the left, what are the companions of the left? And the forerunners, those are the ones brought near to Allah. In the gardens of pleasure, a large company of the former people, and a few of the later people, on thrones woven with ornament, reclining on them, facing each other. There will circulate among them young boys made eternal, with vessels, pitchers, and a cup of wine from a flowing spring. No headache will they have therefrom, nor will they be intoxicated. And fruit of what they select, and the meat of fowl, from whatever they desire.
وقرآنا فرقناه لتقرأه على الناس على مكث ونزلناه تنزيلا.
And it is a Quran which we have divided into parts, in order that you might recite it to men at intervals. And we have revealed it by stages, in 23 years.